Hello children, welcome back to Scratch Programming. Children, in today's class we will learn about Scratch projects. Okay, the project work that is given in your Logix 5 textbook, that project work we'll try to do in today's class. So let's start. This is our Scratch window. I'm using Scratch 3. So here children, in Scratch 3 you cannot see a pen block directly whenever you open a new project. So what you need to do, you need to add it as an extension. So here I am clicking on add extension. Here you can see at the bottom left corner blue square is there and plus sign is there. So click here at the extension and click pen block. See, now we have all the options available here. Now I have already selected 4 sprites here, so I'll do coding for different projects. I'll do coding on different sprites. So initially I am using when flag is clicked, and when flag will get clicked, this sprite will be visible and the rest of the sprites will get hide. Okay, because at a time I want that and only one sprite will work. So here you can see when flag is clicked it will show and then it will go to the location, because I want that my sprite will create the first line from this position. So I have set the initial position here. Let me put the pen up. In any case, if someone in any case in if we run the project before and if we did pen down, so whenever our sprite will go to the position before that, we don't want to draw anything on the stage. So that's why what we'll do erase all and pen up. Now, after reaching at the location, the position from where I want to start my sprite to draw something, after that only I'll do pen down here. Okay, the same coding will do for each and every sprite. So let me copy everything in other sprites also. So here the same thing in the unicorn. Now the same thing in the ladybug, and let me check for the ladybug, and here the same thing we have for the penguin also. Okay, no, it's not copied here. Let me do it again. Okay, now it's copied. Only thing that I want to change is their position. So I am attaching this here and then only pen down. Here again the same thing, only the position I want to change. Okay, so this is the position for ladybug. Now unicorn. So here again I want different position for unicorn, so I'm using this position and then pen down. Okay, now we'll start with our first sprite. Okay, so here when flag will get clicked, okay, whenever my sprite will be here, there or anywhere, whenever it will get clicked, my sprite will reach to the position. After that, after I'll do here, I'll do pen down. Now what I want that my sprite will move straight and draw a colorful line. Okay, so here I am using move because it will go straight, so I need to choose point in direction before that, so that it will look straight in right side. Move, let me increase the number here, 100 steps. It will move 100 steps, and after moving, every time it is changing the color. So in pen block, initially set pen color. Here after pen down, set pen color to 0 and set pen size to 10. Okay, now point in direction 90. It will move, and after moving it will change color. Okay, so let's say it will change color by 20. I'm just choosing random number, children. You can choose as per your choice. Okay, now here what I want, the same thing it will do, it will repeat 3 times. Okay, so let's see what it will do here. See, oh, change pen size. I don't want change pen size, I want change pen color. Okay, where is change pen color? Okay, here it is. So change pen color by 20 every time. Let's see. Okay, so here you can see it is changing pen color by 20 every time. Okay, and it is creating a straight line. Now what I want, if you have seen here, let me show you again. So here you can see the very first picture that you can see here. In the first picture it is moving straight and then only it is going upward direction. Okay, so move it to upward direction. What we can do? We can either we can choose change y position, or simply we can do pointing direction. I am choosing pointing direction here, and to move upward direction we always choose pointing direction 0. Okay, so it will go upward direction. Now again it will go upward direction, and what it will do, it will go upward direction, but I don't want to move it to three times. I don't want to repeat these steps 3 times. I just want to repeat it for 2 times. So let me change the number here 2 times. Okay, now let's see whether it is doing or not. Yes, now it's correct. Okay, but I don't want that much bigger steps to take here. I want to make it 50. Now let's see the change. Okay, now it is fine. Now it is going upward direction. Now I want that it will go towards the right side. So whenever we want that our sprite will go towards the right side, what we will do, children? Sorry, left side. So left side will again take pointing direction, but this time pointing direction will be minus 90. So pointing direction minus 90 I am choosing, and this time I don't want to repeat all the steps. What I want, I just want to move this side but only 100 steps. Okay, I want it to move from right to left but only one time, and it will move 100 steps. So this thing I have done, and let's see, like this. Okay, perfect. Now what I want, now I want that it will move towards the upward direction. So if we want to move towards to upward direction, what we can do, we can again choose pointing direction here, and now this time pointing direction will be upward direction. Okay, so upward direction pointing 0, and the same thing, change color and move steps will repeat this time, and for 50 steps. So I am attaching the things here. Okay, so 2 times it will move 50 steps in upward direction. So let's see. Perfect. Now it is moving upward direction. Now what I want, now I want that it will move towards the left side again. Okay, so here, okay, give me a minute. Let me put these things here so that we can copy all the things easily. So now I want to duplicate this thing. So it will move first towards the left side. So minus 90 here. Now it will move 100 steps, and again it will change color. Okay, like this. Now it will, I want to move it towards the downward direction. So again we'll choose pointing direction, but this time pointing direction will be this time it will be 180, because downward direction means we need to set the direction 180 degree. So 180 it will go towards the downward direction. Now again let me duplicate the same thing but move steps 50. See, it is moving 50 steps this time, and simply it will change color. Now let's see again. Perfect. So here you can see it is moving perfectly. Now what I want it to move again towards the left side. So minus 90, and minus 90 it will, like here it has done, in the same way it will do 100 steps. It will go 100 steps here, and then only we want it to come down. So now it will move and then it will come down this way, and now we want it to move downward direction. So downward direction means 180-degree. After that, let me duplicate the same thing, and what it will do here, it will go downward direction. It will see towards the downward direction, and now here again 50 steps. Now let's check whether it is working or not. Perfect. Now we have the perfect shape that we want. Okay, now let's try to understand the next shape here. So here you can see the next shape that we have, the diamond shape. Okay, the diamond shape we want to create. So let's create the diamond shape here. But what we want, after doing everything, we want that our sprite will do pen. Sprite will not be visible for us, right, or on the screen. So we will hide our sprite after creating everything. So it will get hide, and from here let me choose broadcast message, and it will call unicorn. Okay, now here let me add weight so that it will be visible properly. Wait for 2 seconds. Now unicorn. Now we'll do the coding for unicorn, but we'll start the coding with the help of when I receive. So when unicorn will receive when I receive, so after that only it will be visible. It will erase everything from the screen, and then only it will do pen up, and then it will go to the location. Now again pen down it is doing. In the pen down, what we want, let me erase everything. And now what we want, children, now we want that our unicorn will be visible here, but after its visibility it will go upward direction. So let's set the directions first. Okay, so here we'll do like this, and it will get visible like this. Okay, so now in the unicorn only we will set everything. So initially it will point in direction 90, but we want to create a diagonal shape, right? Diagonal shape means a diamond shape, sorry. So diamond shape, first if it will point in direction 90, if its direction is 90, then what it should do, let's see, if it's pointing direction 90, then how it will move. If we will set its direction 90, so it will move towards right to left side. Okay, give me a minute. Let me do pen down for 40, and here let me choose pen color also. See, so it is moving and creating a straight line, but I don't want to create a straight line here, children. So what I want to create a line diagonally upward direction. So what I'll do, after pointing direction 90, we'll turn it a bit upward direction. So here point in direction 90 and turn 45 degree. Okay, so 45 degree means it will turn upward direction. After that, I want that it will move 10 steps every time, and here it will change color every time. See, it is changing color now like this. It will change color, it will move, change color, and it will turn 90 degree. Okay, means in diamond shape on, or if we are creating a diamond shape which is a kind of square, means four corners with 90 degree. So we want it to turn 90 degree like this, and four sides are there, right? So that's why we'll use repeat four times. What it will repeat four times? It will turn like this, and we want a shape which should be very colorful. Okay, so here every time it will move, it will change pen color, and it will repeat the same thing 10 times, means 10 different color it will create, and then only it will turn for 90 degree. Okay, let's see what it is doing now. Okay, so we can see perfect shape we have here, right? So if we want, you can increase the number of steps here like this. Sorry, not 50, 20 would be better. And see, like this. Okay, but it is not creating a perfect square. Okay, so this thing also matters. So here we are doing, and see, it is creating a perfect shape now. Okay, so this is our second project, children. Now what we want, after creating all this thing, our unicorn will wait for 1 second, or let's say 2 seconds, and then it will get hide. Where is hide? Okay, after that it will get hide, and here it will call ladybug, our next thing. Okay, so it will broadcast from here ladybug, because ladybug will create our third project. Okay, so here we have done till the unicorn thing. So we have created two shapes, children. I'll show you here, and see, first one it will wait and unicorn, the second one. Okay, then it will call the ladybug. So children, rest of the coding will do in the next video. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel if you want to get update for the further videos. Thank you so much. Be safe and keep practicing.